This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Auto Expo in Carlisle, put on by Carlisle Events. Check out some models, because I know we all like the models. That's a 59 Eldo Seville at $45. That's a nice looking model, I like that. 55 Indy Pace Car, cool beams, 25. Black Widow, 124. That's nice. $30. That's a monogram. The Chevy was a Revell. I like the 57 T-Bird. AMT, that's 116, which is really pretty cool. Check out this Pontiac, the Club de Mur, $25. Revell. Green Hornet, that's a nice little monogram, $35. El Camino, 59. AMT kit for $40. It's interesting is that stuff is coming in. I like the Street Burner over there, the Nova at $30, $45 for the Nasto Concept. That's the SSR Concept. Pro Shop, $35 on the Novas. Let's see anything unusual. Riviera, I like that, $30. You can see the prices. I love the Steelers because he always has the prices out there. Oh, look at that, 70 280Z, sweet. Oh, there's a 50, nice, nice. I like that. Let's see what other weird and unusual stuff does he have. I want to pick up something. Bel Air, of course. He doesn't have a lot at this show, unfortunately so. Some Mopar there. The Ram Charger's $30. I like the Lawman over there for $35. That's Lindbergh, by the way. Charger for $40. I like the 300. Price of 300. What's that? Mobius. Okay, $30 on that. More kits are being reissued. Oh, look at the GTX. This one's for you guys, Dave. I know you love it. Buyer's choice, $35 for that. Oh, that's cool. We got some 1/16ths up there. I don't see any cords, but I'll keep an eye open. Again, we got some more models over here. Look at that Lindbergh. Oh, that's great. 48 Ford. This one I had to show you. The Johan V16. Oh, that's wonderful. Plastic model kit. Great stuff. I love it. The one which really caught my eye though. 125 Avanti. Is that gorgeous? That's from Aurora too. Wow. Cool beams. The box is a little bit crispy, so I don't want to open it up and play with it. I always like the Gremlin X, the Mercs, Riviera. There's another Packard, monogram Packard in there. Beautiful. I like the Continental, the 41. That's one of my favorite years. Look at that. Oh, lovely stuff. We have so much stuff. And of course the weirdos. They're cool. That's a monogram 53 Vet. And then the Hubley Model A wagon. Now it's interesting, it's a metal kit, yet should be wood, I don't know. Check out the little Ford 132. Who is that made by? Made by Palmer Plastics. I had to catch this one. That's an Avro triplane from those Magnificent Flying Machines movie from Impact Kits. Always some fun things to find. Check out that wood boat. Wow. Wild. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Automania in Carlisle. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Click subscribe.